Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of food manufacturing. Ever wondered how your favorite snacks, beverages, and ready-to-eat meals make their way from raw ingredients to your plate? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the intricate process of food manufacturing. Hey guys, I'm your host, Christine Holly Ngo, and welcome to Making Things Fun, Cool, and Sexy. As it is with any type of manufacturing, there's a process of steps to making anything. I like to take a deeper dive after I do an interview on the industry further. As you heard in episode 4, I interviewed Linda Renteria from the very popular brand of chips and salsa, Casa Sanchez Foods. We were able to go on an awesome tour of her facility and see how chips and salsa are made. It took a lot of machinery and humans to come together to create the delicious snacks we get to enjoy. Today, I'll take you on a food manufacturing journey to share 6 different segments of food manufacturing. Number 1, introduction to food manufacturing. Number 2, importance of ingredients. Number 3, the art of formulation. Number 4, the production line. Number 5, quality assurance. And number 6, sustainable food manufacturing. To kick things off, let's start off with the basics. What exactly is food manufacturing? At its core, it's the transformation of raw agricultural products into food products that are safe, delicious, and convenient for consumers. From the farm to your table, a series of carefully orchestrated steps take place to ensure the quality and consistency of the food you love. Food manufacturing plays a crucial role in providing a diverse and convenient array of food products to consumers, contributing to the global food industry's complexity and scale. It encompasses a wide range of products from fresh and minimally processed items to highly processed and packaged goods. What are examples of some food that's manufacturing? You saw chips and salsa already. There's also bakery goods such as breads, cookies, and pastries, dairy products such as yogurts and milk. There's also cereal and grain products, meat and poultry products, frozen foods, canned foods, even beverages. The list goes on and on. It's so exciting to see how things need to get made in manufacturing, including our food. Now, let's talk about the importance of ingredients. This is the raw materials of food manufacturing. For our machine shop, Silicon Valley Elite Manufacturing, our raw materials range from different metals and plastics. As for a food manufacturer, their raw materials are flour to sugar, spices to oils. Each component plays a crucial role in creating the perfect recipe. We'll explore the fun side of how manufacturers source and select these ingredients, ensuring they meet strict quality standards. Sourcing ingredients for food manufacturing involves a strategic process to ensure the quality, safety, and consistency of the final products. Here are the key steps in the ingredient sourcing process. Supplier selection. It's very important. You must identify and establish relationships with reliable suppliers. Consider factors such as reputation, quality standards, reliability, and ability to meet the volume requirements of your manufacturing operation. Quality standards are also very crucial. You need to establish clear quality standards for the ingredients you require. This may involve setting specifications for factors such as size, weight, freshness, nutritional content, and any other characteristics critical to your product. Traceability is also critical. It's important to implement a system to trace the origin of ingredients from the supplier to the finished product. This is so crucial for quality control, recall management with regulatory requirements. Regulatory compliance. It ensures that suppliers comply with relevant food safety regulations and standards. Verify that they have the necessary certifications and adhere to industry-specific guidelines. Sampling and testing is also very important. You need to conduct regular sampling and testing of incoming ingredients to ensure they meet your quality standards. This may involve laboratory analysis for factors such as microbiological safety, chemical composition, and sensory attributes. Negotiating a contract is pivotal in every business. Negotiate terms with suppliers, including pricing, payment terms, delivery schedules, and any other relevant details. Formalize agreements with contracts that clearly outline expectations, quality standards, and responsibilities. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and assess your ingredient sourcing processes. Look for opportunities to optimize costs, improve quality, and enhance the sustainability of your supply chain. And lastly, sustainability considerations. Consider the environmental and social impact of your ingredient sourcing. Increasingly, consumers and regulatory bodies are placing emphasis on sustainable and ethical sourcing practices. Effective ingredient sourcing is crucial for the success of food manufacturing, as it directly impacts the quality, cost, and sustainability of the final products. So much goes into sourcing ingredients that I had ever even imagined. Next time I open up my favorite bag of snacks, I'll be sure to appreciate all the efforts that went into getting the food prepared and packaged for me. Now we'll go into the art of formulation. Creating a delectable product is no accident. Food scientists and flavor experts work tirelessly to perfect formulations and balance taste, texture, and nutritional content. We'll dive into the art of formulation and how these culinary wizards create that perfect harmony in your favorite snacks. When we were at Casa Sanchez Foods, they shared with us that they had to try over countless different recipes until they finalized their guacamole. When it comes to formulating a food, there are allergen considerations and regulatory compliance where the formulation complies with local and international food regulations. Throughout the formulation process, collaboration between food scientists, flavor experts, nutritionists, and production specialists is essential to create a snack that meets consumer expectations while being feasible for large-scale production. After the recipe has been formulated, it's time to scale up production for mass manufacturing. Now we'll go into the production line. Picture this, a plethora of machines working in harmony to produce thousands of units per minute. We'll explore the intricacies of the production line from mixing and blending to cooking and packaging. It's a combination of efficiency and precision that ensures consistency in every bite. A food production line, also known as a food processing or assembly line, is a system of interconnected machinery and workers that perform and collaborate specific tasks together to transform raw ingredients into finished food products. This efficient and organized approach to manufacturing allows for mass production of food items while maintaining consistency, quality, and adherence to safety standards. The process begins with the delivery and handling of raw materials, which can include ingredients like fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, dairy products, and more. These materials are often inspected for quality upon arrival. Raw materials may undergo cleaning and sorting processes to remove impurities, foreign objects, or defective items. This step ensures the only high-quality ingredients are used in the production process. Ingredients are processed and mixed according to the specific recipe and formulation. This stage involves various techniques such as grinding, blending, cooking, and other methods to achieve the desired consistency and flavor. The processed mixture is then shaped into the desired form. This can involve molding, extrusion, cutting, or any other techniques depending on the nature of the food product. The formed product may undergo cooking, baking, frying, or other heat treatments to achieve the desired texture, flavor, or safety. After the heat treatment, products may go through cooling or freezing processes to set their structure, enhance shelf life, and make them suitable for packaging. The final products are packaged using automated machinery. Packaging serves to protect the product, extend its shelf life, and provide information to consumers. It can involve various materials such as plastic, cardboard, or metal. Each packaged product is then labeled with relevant information, including nutritional facts, ingredients, expiration dates, and barcodes. Coding may also be applied for tracking purposes. Food production lines must adhere to strict regulations and standards by government authorities to ensure food safety. Food production lines vary significantly based on the type of food being manufactured, the scale of production, and the complexity of the processes involved. Whether producing snacks, beverages, canned goods, or frozen meals, a well-designed production line is essential for meeting consumer demand while maintaining product integrity. In the world of food manufacturing, quality is non-negotiable. There are rigorous testing and quality assurance protocols that guarantee the safety and excellence of the products that reach your grocery store shelves from the moment the raw materials arrive at the warehouse to the finished product. Throughout the production line, quality control measures are implemented. This can involve visual inspections, automated sensors, and sampling for laboratory testing. Quality assurance is essential in food manufacturing to safeguard consumer health, comply with regulations, maintain brand reputation, and achieve operational excellence. It is a comprehensive approach that encompasses every step of the production process, from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product to consumers. It entails so much detail that it will be best to fit into another episode of its own. Lastly, we'll go through sustainable manufacturing. Sustainability has been a very hot topic, and there are guidelines that manufacturers need to abide by. As consumers become increasingly cautious of their environmental footprint, the food manufacturing industry is stepping up to the plate. Sustainable food manufacturing aligns with the broader goals of creating a more sustainable and resilient food system. It addresses environmental concerns, supports social equity, and responds to consumer demands for responsibly produced food products. As sustainability continues to gain importance in various industries, including food manufacturing, companies are increasingly adopting practices that prioritize the well-being of the planet and its inhabitants. And there you have it, guys. A glimpse into the captivating world of food manufacturing, from the selection of premium ingredients to the orchestration of production lines and the commitment to sustainability. It's a complex yet awe-inspiring process that ensures we get to enjoy our favorite treats every day. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's episode. I finally interviewed a guest in my podcast studio, and then we went on a field trip to Fremont at K&A Precision to visit my friend Linda Nguyen's machine shop. We have a lot in common, so you guys don't want to miss this episode. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on my video if you have any questions. If you would like to be on the show, my email is in the description below. Send me a message. Until next time, stay fun, stay cool, and stay sexy.